Okay, I'm back. Made it up to my studio. It's a bit of a mishmash. It's not your traditional one. It's just one I've kind of put into my house. So this is my collection of all my cabochons that I've cut downstairs. So take the finished cabochon over here. This is my jeweler's desk. And so what I've done here is just accumulated all the different tools. Some of the tools that are important are number one is my torch. This is a very important tool to solder all of the silver together. Most of the silver I get, it comes in sheets, fabricated sheets. So different gauges, different thicknesses. Um, these are half round wires I use for ring bands. Here's a little bit of a thicker one, or we can cut them out of these as well. That being said, one of the more important pieces of equipment is my jeweler's saw. I have troubles cutting a straight line with a power saw, so it's been quite interesting to learn how to cut with a jeweler's saw. And a collection of different types of pliers. Um, these dividers are very important to help mark things, and then a pair of calipers. These are digital calipers. It really helps in measuring. So, and then this is a soldering block. I'm not going to go into a whole bunch of and show you how to do it. It's I'd get too involved in this. It'd be too long. I don't have that much time. So. This is called bezel wire. We put this around the cabochon and then attach it to the silver and then put the shank on it, and it all works out well. So this is just basically where it's all fabricated. Use the heat to solder everything together, and then after that's done, we go over here, and this is my polishing station. So it's important that you have a good mask. It was very fun trying to get one of these in time of COVID, but with some of the things that you got flying around, you don't want to be breathing those in. And this is just a small polishing lathe that I have. It's very important. There's two steps to polishing. There's the cleanup process where it actually kind of takes very small bits of the silver off to get it looking very nice, and then you've got the polishing side. So you got to make sure that uh, the two don't mix. They're two different compounds, and it makes it look very nice. And then this is another important part is I've got a flexible shaft here, and then my anvil. This is polishing. It's called Zam, and then hammers. You got your rubber mallet. This one I use for stamping, and this is a chasing hammer. So use this to form the ring shanks or ring bands in order to get them formed properly. And these are fun. This is probably can't see it too well. This is my maker's mark. Basically, it's just my it's a stamp I use for it's my initials, and every piece that I do has my initials on it, so that if you see it with the RKA the second on there, and it's the initials of my legal name, then you'll know that it's from me. And then here's a collection of different pieces I finished over the little while. Some are marked, some of these are more recent. They've been selling a little bit on my website, and I do know that there will be a link to my website on this. So, just we finish up. I want to thank everybody for the time. Now I gotta take my glasses off. I can't see without them, so I'm doing this blind. During this show until the end of February, so approximately 15 days, and you click on my website, and there's a coupon code. It's AFH, Art for the Heart, 2021. So AFH 2021. You put that in, and it's 20% off of anything that's on my website. If you have any questions, all my contact information is on there, and thank you very much.